Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can get iOS 16 beta. So first off, what you want to do is make sure that your device is supported, and I'll be showing you a list of all the supported devices on the screen. So first off, here's the supported iPhones, and then the iPads, and now the iPod touches. And if you didn't catch that, then you could just scroll back and pause the video. And if your device is not supported, then you can still get the beta profile. You just won't be able to update to iOS 16. And once you make sure that your device is supported, go ahead and open Safari and search for betaprofiles.com and scroll down to here. And if you're using an iPhone, then select the iOS 16 download, and if you're using an iPad, then select the iPadOS 16 download and press on the blue button that says install profile and press on install anyway. And next press on allow and go into settings, and over here press on profile downloaded and press on install. And over here type in your passcode and press on install. Tap on install again and press on restart, and just wait for your device to restart. Once it's restarted, go ahead and log back in and open settings, and next press on software update and just wait for this part to load. Once it's loaded, press on download and install and type in your passcode. And once this is finished loading, you'll see that your device will have iOS 16. And I also made a review covering iOS 16 on the iPhones and iPads, so if you want to check that out, the link for that will be in the description.